See, Army has been since a very long time associated with promotion of sports and physical fitness in the country. And it is not only something which is done by the Indian Army, and the other forces also, like the Navy, the Air Force, as also the Central Armed Police Forces. Forces by nature are supposed to be maintaining themselves in a high state of physical fitness. We want to promote this as a virtue, as a national virtue, that everybody needs to strive hard to keep himself physically fit, to be able to take his own job as also the aspect of nation building forward. Now, why Tawang? Tawang is extremely special to the country, to the people of Arunachal Pradesh, to the Indian Army, to us in 4 Corps, the Gajraj Corps. It is an extremely important place for various reasons. You have historical reasons. You have the aspects of strategic significance that is associated with Tawang. The proximity to the borders, our northern borders. As you're aware, the border as the crow flies from this area is just about 15 kilometers. So therefore, this is a very strategically important place. And we want to bring in more and more people to be able to come and experience Tawang and the beauty that it holds in this entire landscape of Arunachal Pradesh. So our efforts towards Tawang have not been new. These efforts and the bonding that the Indian Army shares with the people, with the Monpa community of Tawang and with the population of Tawang in general is exceptional. And this is just a manifestation of that, that commitment that the Indian Army has with the people of Tawang that brings us into holding such kind of big events in Tawang. आप मानिए जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. जब ये इंटरनेशनल मैराथन तवांग वाला आज से 3 साल पहले शुरू हुआ था, तो उस समय और आज में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. और वो फर्क मैं अगर आपको गिनाना चाहूँ तो बहुत है. मोटे तरीके से मैं बताता हूँ आपको 2-3 जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है. एक तो जो जोश और जो जुनून है यहाँ की जनता में, वो आपको देखने से ही बनता है. Nobody who's not been part of this can kind of feel the intensity and the energy behind this. दूसरी बात इस इवेंट की पॉपुलैरिटी. इट इज अनप्रेसिडेंटेड कि 3 साल की एक हम्बल बिगनिंग वाला एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट इन सच अ फार फ्लंग एरिया ऑफ द कंट्री एज अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड तवांग कैन हिट द ग्लोबल रिकॉग्निशन. आज तवांग इंटरनेशनल मैराथन ग्लोबल लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रनिंग एंड मैराथन के मैप के ऊपर मैप है. कभी भी आप इंटरनेशनल और ग्लोबल लेवल की मैराथन की बात करेंगे, आप नेट में सर्च कीजिए, तवांग का नाम प्रोमिनेंटली आएगा. और तवांग के जो चैलेंजेस हैं ये अद्भुत हैं. यहाँ कोई हिम्मत वाला ही आएगा. और जो अपने मैराथनर्स होते हैं, इनमें भी एक क्वालिटी होती है. ये सिर्फ शुरू नहीं करते काम को खत्म करने का जज्बा रखते हैं. सो इसलिए तवांग इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये जो एडिशन है, नंबर 3 एडिशन, और भी एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ जो जोश और जुनून है वो देखने ही बनता है.
Sir, Army has lot of contribution in global sports. So, as a general, what is your thought?
Of course, like I said, देश का जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है आज फिजिकल फिटनेस, फिट इंडिया और जितने तरीके के जो इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं देश ने, उसका एक आउटकम रिजल्ट जो है वो जो हमारे अचीवमेंट्स हैं एट द ग्लोबल लेवल हमारे एथलीट्स के, वो सब देखने को मिल रहा है. और इसमें देश तो अच्छा कर ही रहा है, बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, courtesy the schemes that have been undertaken and put in place and the push that has been given by the government at various stages, whether it is center or in the states. इसके साथ साथ जो आर्म्ड फोर्सेस का कंट्रीब्यूशन है in terms of giving their little push that they can because of their presence and outreach in the entire country is phenomenal. Now इसमें मैं ये नहीं बोलता कि सिर्फ इंडियन आर्मी के अलावा भी जितने भी फोर्सेस हैं देश के, चाहे वो सेंट्रल फोर्सेस हैं, चाहे वो अपने आर्म्ड फोर्सेस हैं, उन सब का कंट्रीब्यूशन इज ग्रेट. इन सो फार एज पार्टिसिपेशन एंड रिजल्ट्स इज कंसर्न्ड, यू नो फॉर योरसेल्फ राइट फ्रॉम दोस a very long time. We've had Milkha Singh, we've had Dilip Tirki, we've had so many accomplished runners who and athletes and sportsmen who have contributed towards the national effort. हाल ही में लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल ऑनररी नीरज चोपड़ा, आपने सुना होगा सर.
Yes, sir.
He's been given the honorary rank of a lieutenant colonel in the TA by none less than our honorable Raksha Mantri just 4 days back. So इस तरीके के जो प्रोत्साहन है, फिर हमारे पास अविनाश सावले हैं जो 3000 मीटर स्टीपल चेस में साउथ कोरिया में गोल्ड मेडल लेके आए हैं। और ये एक स्टोरी यही नहीं खत्म हो जाती, ये स्टोरी तो अभी लिखना शुरू हुई है। अभी हम यहाँ के बाद कहाँ पहुँचेंगे इस एफर्ट के साथ, yes, it is anybody's imagination.
My name is Nidhi. I'm from Delhi. I've been running for the past 10 years or so. I started running just like that, like friends said, "Ki, let's go and run." So I thought, okay, I was a person who used to go to the gym earlier. Outside कभी कुछ नहीं करा था उससे पहले. But then as I started running, I just felt, जैसे एक एडिक्शन नहीं हो जाता, so I kind of started like running. There's a simple thing about running. I don't even listen to music while running, just like आसपास देखकर. So that's what, like, that's through sudden decision, kind of like, so I've been running for 10 years. I've been running in different cities of India as well, and kind of combine my travel ka liking with the running ka liking. So me and my friend, we tried to go to different cities and states in India to run. Tawang ka bhi yahi tha, so I've never traveled much to Northeast, so I was like, okay, we should go and run, see the place. So it will also give us an opportunity to understand. I have done the Ladakh half marathon also, and I'm doing half marathon here also. So but you have to come like a few days earlier to acclimatize yourself. So we came like 4 or 5 days earlier to acclimatize ourselves. We did like simple run, jog, like that. Basically, like you have to make sure in high altitude that you come in time, your body kind of adjusts to the environment, and then you run. Last time we supported.
What's your expectation from Tawang Marathon?
I hope to finish it. So I've heard it's a very challenging thing the town, but it's something. So I want to finish strong, but that's my main thing. I want to finish it and finish it strong. So no issue after that. Keep my fingers crossed for that. Yeah.
I wanted to show to neighborhood that we Jawan, we are one together, we are a unity. I have come all the way from Mumbai to run with our armed forces, and I just run with them and show them that age is not a number. Age is just a number. You just get up from the house, come out, have your passion to run, and show the unity together.
Sir, any message for the newcomers?
Newcomers, please come out of the houses, get up, come, join us, show your strength, show your energy. There's a lot outside the world.
Running Tawang can be challenging.
Yes, it's a challenge, no doubt. It's a high altitude. First time I'll be running. Hope we'll do the best. High altitude, I think the organizers has done a very good job. It's a challenging task to run in the high altitude. But I think if you are used to accomplish for 1 or 2 days with the climate, I think you can do it. You can make it. You have to have a mindset and consistency in that. You can do it. Indian Army, I can say only one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. You are the best.
Your name, sir?
My name is Raj Gandhi from Mumbai.
Hi, what's all the best? What's your expectation from Tawang Marathon? What do you want to say?
Thank you.